Hey, to mute your controller on the PS5 Slim, first click on this PlayStation button, and now when you have this menu, you have to scroll down and go into this sound icon. There we go. And now you can actually click on the controller speaker and just simply mute it like this. And that's basically it. If you want to mute the microphone, so all you have to do is just to click on this button, and now it will turn orange, so it means that the microphone is actually muted. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.